Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, that is a part 4, we'll be in the last part, that is part 3, we learned about how to register a helper functions in Handlebar. Now let me show you one more helper function that we can use to transform data, which is basically called as title case, or you can do this lowercase or uppercase, something like that. How to create your own stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna be teaching you about that. So kindly give me 1 second and I'll be starting the session. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is basically, in order for, let's say here you can see the data is all lowercase. For some reason I want to make it uppercase. So what you would do, you will have to register a template. So you would say handlebar dot register helper. So register helper, remember it takes a argument, that what you would call. So I'm gonna say to upper, right? And then it takes a function. Function takes two attributes. Remember, the first attribute is usually, or you know what? Here I can, let me write a separate function here and then call that function. That would be much more easier. So function, right? And I'm gonna say to upper case. Right, whenever anyone calls this function, and of course the data is passed to this, I want to transform it. So I will return str dot to uppercase. Right, now here in the handlebar I would simply call that to uppercase, right, like that, and this should work hopefully. One thing, that way. So now your helper functions have been registered. This should work. Now in order for this to work, so I'm gonna go to the name. I'm just gonna add this, save it. Let's try it out, man. So here you can see everything got converted into an uppercase, right? So simply by writing this. What I could have also done is, guys, if you don't like this, if you wanna, you can actually write a function here, but this is how usually I write it. You can say function str. Of course you can do that. I mean, there's no harm in doing this. Let's kindly try that out also, make sure that works. For some reason that did not work. Yeah, so I think this won't work. I think I have made some error. I don't know, what am I missing? Is it a return? Let's try to find it out if it works. Yeah, I think I was missing a return statement. So yeah, whichever way you are comfortable doing it, yeah, feel free to do it. This is about basically registering helper function in handlebars. Hope you have enjoyed the part 4. Similarly to uppercase, you can do to lowercase, and I have one more snippet called as title case, which I'm just gonna paste it from my snippets right there. So I actually had a function called as title case. The job of this is just to create a title case text. Okay, what I could have done is basically, if I wanted to do title case so I'm gonna register the template to title case, and instead of this, okay, I'm gonna call that title case, and here at the name, instead of to upper, let's change this to title case. Now I'm gonna refresh that and check it out. See? So yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video, and the code snippets are there in the description, so kindly check it out. Have any more questions, list your question in the comments, and I would be very happy to assist you. Thank you for watching this part 4. See you in part 5.